I did not ever get 90 in the mock tests or
Mm,
like in the practice that I was doing. I used to always make mistakes. When
mm,
I tried to stay consistent, like I got the feedback, I practiced more,
yeah.
I put more effort. Recognize your mistakes and take
Mm.
the feedback very seriously, and then work on those drawbacks in your work. Those strategies really helped. So I would say consistency is the key.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Arushi with me, one of our students, 90 each, 19 all the modules in PT, that too after the changes. In such a scenario where every student's telling me this, that it's very difficult to get the scores now. 90 speaking, 90 reading, 90 listening, and 90 writing. Congratulations, Arushi. Very well done.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Arushi, very first thing I would like to ask you is writing. Writing is one of those modules everyone is scared about. That yes, if there's human checking, how can I get 90 or 90? What did you personally do in writing which helped you to get this score?
So initially, like when I started practicing on the portal,
Mm-hmm.
I had a lot of spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
So Sonal, ma'am especially, she helped me like with the content as well a bit. And the spelling mistakes, like we used to practice around 2-3 hours, like
Mm-hmm.
every day almost for I think around a month.
Mm-hmm.
And then we practice mainly writing and speaking because those were my weakest modules.
Mm-hmm.
So we used to do essays, summarize written text,
Mm-hmm.
etc. And then whenever like I was falling behind, she used to motivate me and like correct my mistakes and give
Mm-hmm.
up all the time a positive feedback.
That's right. That's right. So it was more about practice and then getting the feedback and implementing the feedback in next practice, right?
Yeah,
Very important, guys. Very important, as she has mentioned. Practice, but make sure you take the feedback and improve. Based on whatever feedback you have been provided. Otherwise, there's no point of practicing. We see a lot of students practice, come for 2 days, disappear for 2 weeks, then come back for 2 days, and practice. That's not going to help you. You have to be consistent. You need to work on the feedback you have been provided, and that's how you can get 90 as well. Let's talk about reading. Reading,
yeah.
because you to achieve a superior score you just need 70 now. You've got 90 in reading, and 90 looks like unbelievable. What did you do in reading?
Uh, According like when I was practicing, even in reading as well, I had like I did not ever get 90 in the mock tests or like
Hmm.
in the practice that I was doing. I used to always make mistakes.
Hmm.
Like then, whenever practicing on the module, I saw some of your videos, and like even Sonal ma'am also helped,
Hmm.
like with the strategy and everything, how to recognize what word will be the most appropriate word in the fill
Correct.
in the blanks or
Yep.
selecting the correct word.
Hmm.
That those strategies really helped, and then I got to know, okay, like out of the four or the five options that we have, this will be the correct one, and then
Hmm.
like from there, okay,
That's right.
this is
That's
how
right.
we do it. Yeah.
That's right. See, what I take out of from your journey is that you practiced a lot and then you took the feedback as well. As she has mentioned in reading as well, it's about practicing, understanding the context, and most importantly, understanding the elimination technique. She figured out that yes, if you have got three or four options, how you have to eliminate the wrong options. And that's how you'll be able to crack your reading and any of the modules in PT. Arushi, any advice for students out there, what they should do, what they should avoid, what you did in your previous attempt, which where you missed by a few points? Any advice, any tips for students out there so that they can achieve their desired scores as well?
So I would say consistency is the key.
Mhm.
Like I had practiced for PTE before as well, but that time I was not consistent, so I couldn't get my desired score at
Mm,
that time. When
mm,
I tried to stay consistent, like I got the feedback, I practiced more,
yep.
I put more effort.
Mhm.
Then I got the like my desired score. I never expected I would get 90 in each. I was like, okay, I just need to get like
Yep.
the superior score that I need.
Yep.
And even in writing, like I had given attempts before, only I was like getting left out by 1 or 2 marks.
Mm,
So like that, I recognized, okay, I need to practice more. That is the key. And second, I would say that recognize your mistakes and take the
Mhm.
feedback very seriously, and then work on those like drawbacks in your work,
That's
and
right.
then you can like properly get your desired score.
That's right. That's right. Why it's very important that you're consistent, you show up every day, doesn't matter what happens. That's what she has mentioned that earlier she was not consistent, but now this time she was consistent. And on top of that, she used to make sure whatever feedback she is receiving, she used to work on the same. She turned her mistakes into her strength, the weakness into strength. She rectified all the mistakes she used to make, and this is the score 90 in all the modules. If she has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. It's just about working hard and smart in the right direction, under the right guidance, implementing whatever feedback or improvement suggestions you have been provided with, and success will be yours. Congratulations once again, and all the very best, Arushi.
Thank you. Thank you
Guys,
so much, sir.
that
Oh, so,
that's it from this video, guys. Remember, if she has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. Just keep showing up, do not give up, and you will be there. Thank you.